Are you curious about how your birth date can reveal your potential to attract wealth? Well, in this video, we'll show you how numerology can help you find your wealth number and give you tips on how to maximize your money-making potential. So, make sure to watch till the end and subscribe to our channel for more intriguing insights into the world of money. Money is an essential part of our lives, and most of us aspire to earn more and be financially stable. However, did you know that your birth date can reveal your potential to attract money? Yes, you heard it right. Numerology, the study of numbers and their significance, can help us understand how our birth date influences our wealth potential. How birth date can reveal the potential to earn? Your birth date contains a unique energy pattern that can reveal your innate strengths and weaknesses. This energy pattern is represented by different numbers, and each number has its significance and meaning. By analyzing these numbers, numerologists can determine your wealth potential. What is numerology? Numerology is an ancient system that assigns a numeric value to each letter in the alphabet. These numeric values are then added up to create a single-digit number, which holds a unique meaning and significance. How to find out your wealth number? To find out your wealth number, you need to add up the digits of your birth date until you get a single-digit number. For example, if you were born on the 15th of March, 1990, you add 1 plus 5 plus 3 plus 1 plus 9 plus 9 plus 0 equals 28. Then you add 2 plus 8 equals 10. Finally, you add 1 plus 0 equals 1. So your wealth number is 1. Did you get it? No? Okay, here we have another example. If you were born on the 22nd of November, 1985, your wealth number would be 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 9 plus 8 plus 5 equals 29. 2 plus 9 equals 11. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Again, if you were born on the 7th of January 2000, your wealth number would be 7 plus 1 plus 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals 10. 1 plus 0 equals 1. There are 9 money numbers in numerology, and each one has its unique characteristics and suggestions on how to maximize your wealth potential. Let's take a closer look at what numerology says about each number and its relation to money. Money number 1 in numerology. Congratulations, you are the number 1 when it comes to money in numerology. This means that you will likely prosper financially and you won't have to struggle when it comes to money. You are hardworking and can input a lot of energy into your work, which will be rewarded with good revenue. However, it's important to remember to stay humble and avoid overconfidence or anger, as these traits can lead to downfall. It's worth noting that those born under this number may not take responsibility if they ever need to take a loan and may blame others. However, they will prioritize paying back their debts in advance. Money number 2 in numerology. Earning money can be a bit more difficult for those with the number 2 in numerology. This is because you may struggle with taking the necessary steps to earn money due to a lack of willpower. Even if you make good plans, you may struggle to execute them because you don't fully commit to them. You value sincerity with others, which can be a strength, but it can also cause you to avoid taking actions that could harm others, ultimately leading to a loss for yourself. Unfortunately, luck doesn't always seem to be on your side when it comes to money, so hard work is essential for success. Inherited wealth is also a gray area for those with this number. Money number 3 in numerology. Those with the number 3 in numerology have good fortune when it comes to money, but they may also face difficulties. You may have good wisdom and knowledge, which can be used to attract money. Additionally, being good with people is a strength that can help you climb the social ladder. However, it's important to avoid illegal business ventures at all costs. Money number 4 in numerology. Earning money can be very hard for those with the number 4 in numerology because they may not be lucky in that aspect. However, you are also hardworking and determined, so failure won't bring you down. Easy money is not your thing, but you're used to that by now. Sheer hard work will lead to financial satisfaction and wealth. To increase your chances of success, try to avoid negative thoughts and stay optimistic at all times. Money number 5 in numerology. If you have the number 5 when it comes to money in numerology, you may well be suited for business ventures. You have a strategic mind that can help you grow your business quickly. Your logical way of thinking is best utilized in intellectual and engineering pursuits. You treat your employees as equals and give them the opportunity to grow, making you a great employer to work for. However, it's important to keep your mind calm and subdued to avoid becoming overwhelmed. Money number 6 in numerology. Considered to be the money-attracting number, people falling under this will have the most luck when it comes to monetary wealth. If you have a lot of responsibilities and finding it hard to squeeze in some time to focus on your finances, that means you're a natural leader and you have the power to inspire others to follow your lead when it comes to financial success. Imagine being the go-to person when it comes to money matters. So let's put those skills to use and take control of your finances. Don't let your busy schedule hold you back from achieving your financial goals. With your natural talent and leadership skills, you'll soon find yourself on the path to riches. Get ready to make it rain. Money number 7 in numerology. 2 different scenarios arise when it comes to the number 7 and money. Either they are rich or they lose money more than anyone. Your ambition is a good thing for you, and you should put that to use by acting on the plans you created. But try avoiding doing anything reckless like gambling or venturing into a new business without much elevation that can lead to loss of money. But there are also chances that once you start earning money, no one can stop that until you become a millionaire. Money number 8 in numerology. People with this number will have good luck with money, but it more or less depends on the way they handle certain situations. Having an optimistic approach to life is necessary for you, as that will determine your future. Don't give up on the first trial and learn to overcome failure. Hard work is key when it comes to earning money, and you will become rich through your brains rather than brawn. Try to give your brain a rest when things seem to overcome you, and try avoiding negativity as much as possible. Money number 9 in numerology. Money is not a concern for this number and is in general quite fortunate in terms of wealth. Midas touch is closely related to the people under the number 9. You will find it very easy to draw in money even with the least amount of effort, like a gift or a lottery. You in general are very career driven and have a high amount of energy and enthusiasm for your job and will receive good results. Do you know that many successful people attribute their wealth to their birth date's numerological significance? For example, Elon Musk, the brilliant mind behind Tesla and SpaceX. His money number is 7. But what does this mean? Well, let me tell you, when it comes to the number 7 and money, 2 different scenarios usually arise. Either they're extremely wealthy, or they lose money faster than they can count it. As for people with this number, they require a strong ambition and may face some initial struggles. However, once they set their minds to their business, no one can stop them until they achieve their goals. And in Elon Musk's case, he didn't stop at just being a millionaire. He became a millionaire. It's safe to say that Elon's determination and drive have paid off in ways that most of us can only dream of. So if you're planning to have a baby and want to maximize their wealth potential, consider choosing a birth date that aligns with a money number. For example, if you want your child to have a wealth number of 1, choose a date that adds up to 1. Like if you're expecting your baby in 2024 and the month is January, try giving birth on the dates first of the month. Simple math, 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 4 equals 10, and 1 plus 0 equals 1. So there you have it, how your birth date can reveal your potential to attract money. Whether you're looking to enhance your wealth potential or planning to have a baby, numerology can offer valuable insights. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more intriguing topics like this related to money making. Thank you for watching.